Okay then guys, as promised, here is Diggy Dishes Up Chinese New Year on tour. Many thanks to Marissa for giving her kitchen up for the day. I know it's not nice being kicked out of your own kitchen. And many thanks as well to Marissa's sister Alicia for providing the majority of the still photographs. I couldn't get a lot of videoing done because I was too busy cooking. Here we go then guys. Ding ding, dinner served.
Oh, Harry's face. Harry,
You ready?
Harry's ready. Oh. He thought it was ready when you put the bowl on the table.
Oh.
Right, let's get you sat down then. This one, yeah. Did you need that bit of paper?
Oh no, that's for you to read out.
Oh, sorry.
That's what I read.
Oh, sorry, mister.
What is it?
Yeah, read it, go on, yeah.
What is I love them
I
things.
need to get Harry's drink.
Read it.
No, what that one says, gong and fat and choy. Gong.
Gong hei fat choy. The T goes with the ch, so
We just get Harry's
gong
drink.
hei fat
I want
choy.
blue one.
Happy New Year in Chinese.
Gong hei fat.
Gong hei, that's hei, that's it.
Gong hei fat.
Gong hei fat choy.
Fat.
The song, listen.
Well, let me just check it's not too
Gong
hot.
hei fat. Is there anything in it?
It's chicken,
Sweet corn.
and wait, and there might be.
Like it, the grandpies won't be offended.
No, you can leave it if you don't like it. There might be a few peas in there.
Just get the chicken.
I feel like I'm really gate crashing though.
It's all right, actually. I didn't think there'd be enough soup, but there is.
Oh, I love it.
You want a crispy?
Yeah.
Let mummy help.
And what you got? These you can put the spring onions with your soup. And these are little dipping sauces to go with the crackers.
Do you want to try that bit?
So we've got sweet chilli. The runny one is soy. There's hoisin and there's oyster sauce.
They look like chocolate sauces.
Prawn crackers. Yeah, you can dip. Yeah, just a little bit. Just try it. You might not like them, so just try a little bit of each.
Like them.
That's nice. Give us the
No,
rest
don't like that one. Try that one. That's a sweet one. That
I
is.
don't think you'll like the dips, Harry.
Right, thank you.
Have you tried the soup, Rowan?
Well done, good.
Is that a bit warm? Is it?
Which one did you try?
No.
Down on that one.
Chopped it for the noodle, but not.
Mummy.
Go on it. There you go
Easy.
then. Yes. Go on then, Kyla.
Oh,
Piece of chicken?
Kyla's got one.
Well, you
You
try.
can have a go, Rowan.
do they eat egg?
Yeah, they eat egg. Yeah.
Well, that's egg then.
When I get to get there's a turtle on it.
Oh, it's egg in the soup, is there?
It's egg.
Oh, it looks like chicken.
I didn't want to say anything because it's egg drop soup.
Mm-hmm.
That's egg rowan. That is.
Strawberry.
It's
The,
egg and
the
chicken, I
little
wouldn't
little
know.
bits.
It looks like just chicken strips, doesn't it?
Yeah, you can do it that way.
Yeah.
Your eggs fell back in.
Try some choppy sticks. Go on.
Where are the chicken?
I've got some there.
It looks like there's carrots in it, but it's just a sweet one.
It's just different flavouring. So I'm not normally a fan of them.
Don't worry.
I love chicken and the chicken. Crackers.
keep that pot if you want.
We can do. I'm going to have a couple more of these.
Let's
I'm
go.
quite
Look
full.
at the left one now.
That's lovely.
You've got
Sauce on
babies.
it.
You
So
got
for
baby
afternoon,
ones.
didn't have to do
You
much
can make
today.
a proper caramel sauce like this cheese you've got on the stove.
This is nice though.
Good.
Ew.
Tyra. Granby can put that one back in the cupboard now. Tyra washed it for you.
I feel really rude that I'm going to have to run away with this.
There's syrup in it.
Yeah, eat and leave.
Sorry.
No, I kind of knew you had to do that anyway because of the time.
There's syrup in it, so I have to eat it.
Really want to.
But it tastes
What's
nice.
thinking of the meal then, kids?
Nice.
Mom.
What was your best bit? What was your favourite?
Toast and hot dogs. The hot dogs, the sweet corn, and the noodles and the crisps.
Crackers.
Of course you have to do
Prawn
these.
crackers.
So the prawn toast and the noodles.
Yes.
Cool.
Toast and
What was
the
Harry's favourite? Noodles.
I reckon Harry's favourite was the noodles
Yeah.
and the crisps.
Okay, why
I
what I
love the
said?
soup. Actually, all of it's lovely, but the soup was lovely.
I'm going to
Oh,
say
soup.
the soup.
The soup.
Yeah,
That seemed like so long ago.
No, that was beautiful.
One more to
And
go.
you can't stop.
One more to go. Oh, maybe I should stop.
Stop what you're doing, idiot.
Oh yeah, I'll manage one of those. That's all right.
You can't stop. Yeah, good.
A fortune cookie. There's always room for a fortune cookie.
I love fortune cookies.
Why
is it? I want a green one.
You want a
Wait.
red one?
Red.
What kind do you want, brown, green or orange?
You definitely have to have red. It's my favourite colour.
Red.
Hurry.
And right at the end, I was given this Happy New Year gift. I'll tell you what, it made my day. It really did. I had a great time, guys. Hope you've enjoyed watching this. More recipes to come in very near future.